know. It's shocking. Also, the fact that I'm going to eat at 7 in the morning is not easy for me. I'm ready to eat. Follow me. That's part of the fun. It's like... Anyway, do I want to give my tummy a break? I'm sorry. You know what? I'm not even going to put you through the pain of watching me pick out an outfit because I know it's painful every time. Kind of brings them back up a few notches. This is the new me. New York has already changed me. Yeah. Worth it though, because I feel like a baddie. It was unbelievable. I just kept walking. Okay, fine. Did my burp startle you? God, that was ruthless. Bye.